In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Roblox Studio on your computer. A lot of people only use Roblox for playing games, but what many don't know is that you can also create your own games with Roblox Studio. To do this, all you need to do is go to Roblox. You just need to click on this section. Here we click on the Start Creating button. We click on Download Studio. After the setup is downloaded, just click on it. Here we wait for it to download and install on our system. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create your own custom game in Roblox. If you'd like to support the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Good luck and see you soon.